In the Qur'an, the skies and the earth are said to be created in 6 days. But what are those 6 days describing? There are verses in the Qur'an that clearly point to the creation of the universe. The Qur'an describes the skies and the earth as once being a single entity, then bursting apart. And the sky is expanding. These ideas are hallmarks of modern cosmology. So the universe was created in 6 days. But in Surah Fussilat, we get a different kind of description. The earth is created in 2 days, and its mountains and sustenance are completed in 4 days. That's 6 days just for the earth and its development. Here's the problem. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. The earth formed in the last 4.55 billion years. When we start talking about the earth being created in 6 days, we are no longer talking about the universe. So which is it, the universe or the earth? The answer is both. The Qur'an uses the same 6 days framework to describe 2 different scales of creation, depending on context. Islamic scholars have long understood that these creation days are not 24-hour periods, but how long are they? If the 6 days describe the formation of the earth, each of those days would average about 746 million years. If the 6 days describe the universe, each day would be about 2.28 billion years. Now here's the key question. Does the Qur'an give any indication that a day could span such immense times? And here's where it gets really remarkable. The answer is yes. In 2022, by the grace of God, I uncovered one of the most profound scientific miracles in the Qur'an that shows this. In different verses of the Qur'an, it describes a day to God as being either like 1 human day, like 1,000 years, or like 50,000 years. When these values are analyzed mathematically, they don't just sit randomly. They grow exponentially and form a pattern that forecasts values that match both the age of the earth and the age of the universe with incredible accuracy. The probability of this alignment happening by chance is extraordinarily small. I ran a simulation model with over 30 billion trials and found the probability that this was just a lucky accident to be as low as 1 chance in 10 quintillion. To understand just how improbable it is that the Qur'an accurately forecasts the ages of both the earth and the universe purely by random chance, imagine an Olympic-sized swimming pool filled with granulated sugar. The number of grains of sugar in that swimming pool would be 10 to the power 15. To get to 10 quintillion grains of sugar, you would need 10,000 Olympic swimming pools, all of them full of sugar. Hidden somewhere in one of those swimming pools is just 1 single grain of salt. Finding this mathematical alignment by accident is like being blindfolded and picking out the 1 salt grain from those 10,000 pools on your very first try. If you're interested in the details, see my research paper and an earlier video on the website www.drg.science. But the implication is clear. The Qur'an's 6 days are not fixed units of time. They are a flexible framework, capable of describing creation on at least 2 scales, the Earth's and the universe's. Both true, both in harmony with science. Subhanallah.